By many accounts tonight, warning signs about the confessed gunman were there. His troubled past very much on display, especially on social media. Yet the gun used in this shooting was purchased and owned legally. CBS 4's Silva Harapetian is live at the Broward County Jail, where the suspect is on suicide watch tonight. Silva.
Well, the gun Nicholas Cruz bought, the AR-15, was bought at a shop in Broward County, and that shop, we're told, will remain closed out of respect for the families. Now, the family who owns this shop issued a statement through their attorney saying that they are devastated, and nowhere in their background check was there any kind of red flag, any kind of indication that Cruz was troubled. Neighbors took video of Nicholas Cruz target practicing. The warning signs were all there in person and on social media. Photos of guns, knives, extremist comments. White supremacist group in Florida, the Republic of Florida militia, has confirmed Cruz was a member. In late 2017, a comment prompted a call to the FBI. Ben Benight called the authorities.
Several videos on YouTube, and he commented on one of my videos that he was going to be a professional school shooter, and I screenshotted that comment and sent it to the FBI.
The FBI said they looked into it.
There was no additional information about the particular time, location, or further identifiers about the person who posted the comment.
In February of 2017, 19-year-old Cruz bought an AR-15 from Sunrise Tactical Supply. ATF conducted an audit on Thursday, and it appears the AR-15 was bought legally. In February of 2016, a law enforcement source told CBS News Broward County Sheriff Office was apparently notified of an Instagram posting, Cruz saying he was going to shoot his school. Sheriff Scott Israel has said he doesn't know of such report. Cruz didn't appear to have many friends. Those who knew him, though, said he liked hurting things.
He kind of fantasized about the other things like Columbine, like Hitler. He fantasized about those types of stuff.
Cruz was expelled from school, obsessed with guns. His adopted mother died in November. He lived in a home where police were often called. Neighbors remember a recent incident when the teen was seen aiming a gun at a neighbor's animal.
If we could just turn the clock back and do something different, but I don't know.
And back here live, according to CNN, there were a lot of calls made to Cruz's home. This is according to police records, calls that included mentally ill person, domestic disturbance calls, 911 hang-ups, child elderly abuse, and missing persons calls. All of those calls, of course, as investigators look to see how things unfolded on that deadly day. They will also be looking into the years and weeks leading up to it and looking at the signs. I'm Silva Harapetian on CBS 4 News tonight.